Good morning. Do you like your hair? Let me see. Ganda naman. Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda naman. Why you wake up so early, huh? Huh? Mama is still sleepy. Huh? It's already morning? Huh? And you keep on singing. What are you singing? While your sister is still sleeping, okay? So don't make more noise, okay? Your sister's trying to sleep still. Alright? Why do you wake up so early? Huh? Huh, baby? Why you wake up so early? Huh? Ay? Want napkin? She keep on waking me up. Say, Mama, I'm done sleeping. It's already morning. Then she's singing. What's that song you're singing? Itchy bitchy spider. Huh? Kanta ng kanta? Huh? How can you sleep when somebody's singing? What were you singing? What were you singing earlier? Can you sing it again? I forgot the tune of that song. What's that song again? What's that? Say it louder. Say it louder. Kanina, ang dal-dal-dal-dal mo eh. Natutulog ako eh. Kanta ka ng kanta. Kulit-kulit mo. You're so kulit. Why are you so kulit, huh? You finish your cereal. Good job. Oh my goodness. That sounds... Are you playing with it? You got to drink it. Okay? Don't play bubbles with it. No play bubbles. Just drink it. Alright? Just drink it. Huwag kang makulit, ha? I don't like kulit kid. Gonna get palo. You wanna get palo? Huh? Do you want palo?
Already palo.
You already palo? I am cooking eggplant. I'm gonna make eggplant torta. Your sister is still sleeping, huh? Yeah, because you sleep late. Oh, look who's awake! Kira! Okay, let me change you now. Let me change your PJ. Come on. Okay, Kira. Kira, you need to eat breakfast now. Your sister already eat breakfast. Come on. This girl is eating cereals, but she doesn't like milk on it. Why you don't like milk, baby? Huh?
Just a tiny. Just a tiny bun.
Tiny bunny?
Milk on the bun.
And this girl is eating her fruits already. Good job. She's eating her orange. This girl is done with 2 oranges already. Ang hilig sa prutas. I'm so proud of these girls. I'm so proud of these girls. What about the other girl? Almost done eating her cereals. And ready for her orange. Are you ready for your orange? Huh?